Hello, everyone. You know those empty soda cans and old phone chargers you usually throw away? Today, I'm going to show you how I transform ordinary household items into something truly extraordinary. A DIY wireless power charger. I'm taking an empty soda can and carefully drilling a small pilot hole right in the center of its bottom. Next, I'll take a piece of sandpaper and vigorously rub it against the side of the can. My goal here is to remove the printed design and create a smooth, raw aluminum surface. This is important because the bare metal will be easier to polish and prepare for its new purpose. After sanding the side, I'll move on to the bottom of the can, using the sandpaper to buff it until it's clean. Now for the magic. I take a length of copper wire and straighten it out. This wire's flexibility and conductivity are perfect for the next project, where I'll transform it into something surprisingly useful. Using a pair of pliers, I bend one end into a small loop to create a secure attachment point. I carefully wrap the copper wire around a small loop to form a tight, uniform spring-like coil. This takes a bit of patience, but the result will be worth it. I continue forming the copper wire into a tight, uniform coil. The density and consistency of these windings are vital for generating the desired electromagnetic effects later on. I then shape it into a conical form. This unique shape helps to optimize its electromagnetic field, acting like an antenna. Now, I'm taking an old USB wall charger. I'll carefully pry open its casing using a utility knife. The aim is to extract the internal circuit board, which we'll be modifying for our project. Always be gentle to avoid damaging the internal components. Once exposed, I remove it from the casing. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm marking 2 points on the charger's casing and then using a drill to create small, clean holes. These holes are essential for mounting the coiled wires from our previous step. These holes will serve as exit points for our custom wiring, ensuring a professional finish. Next, I'll prepare some thin wires for soldering. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. These wires will be used to connect the coiled copper components to the charger's circuit board. Using a soldering iron, I'm now carefully attaching the stripped wires to designated points on the charger's circuit board. This step requires a steady hand and precision to create strong, reliable electrical connections. The why here is to establish a pathway for our new components to draw power and function. Now, I carefully place the circuit board back into its original position and reassemble the charger casing. It's important to ensure all the new wiring is neatly tucked away. With the coils in place, I'll carefully reassemble the charger casing, making sure all the wires are tucked in neatly and the casing snaps shut securely. Now it's time to integrate the coiled copper wires. I'll insert their ends through the drilled holes in the charger casing and carefully position them to the wires I just attached to the circuit board. This creates the external antennas for our device. I'll use a pair of pliers to shape and trim the excess copper wire. I'm repeating the entire process for the second coil, attaching it to the other charger wire and carefully shaping it to mirror the first. The goal is to make the coils symmetrical and aesthetically pleasing, as they will be a visible part of our finished product. To ensure a robust electrical path, I carefully solder the coil directly to the wire connection on the charger. This solidifies the circuit for consistent energy flow. To further increase the signal reception of our antenna device, I attached 2 more nuts to the spring copper coil and secured it tightly with the nuts. To boost the effectiveness of our wireless transmitter, I take the sanded aluminum can lids and carefully firmly fix them to the ends of the copper coils. These metallic discs act as larger antennas, helping to focus and extend the electromagnetic field for better power transfer. These metal domes act as reflectors and extenders, designed to enhance the device's ability to transmit or receive electromagnetic energy. Now for the big reveal. I'm taking this mobile phone SIM card and carefully slotting it into the charger's USB port, utilizing the connection pins. I used another piece of aluminum foil to wrap around the SIM card. This serves as a vital shield, focusing the generated electromagnetic waves and preventing external interference, ensuring our device performs optimally. For our final project, we'll be modifying a standard wall socket to create a custom extension. First, I'm carefully disassembling the socket, unscrewing its cover and revealing the internal connections. I take a length of robust electrical cable and strip away the outer sheath, then carefully strip the individual wires inside. This exposes the conductive cores, ready for a secure connection. I meticulously connect each prepared wire to its corresponding terminal on the wall socket. It's crucial to tighten these screws very securely to ensure proper electrical contact and safety. It's crucial to make sure each wire is firmly secured to prevent any loose connections, which could be dangerous. This turns a simple cable into a power extender. Once the wires are secured, I'll reassemble the wall socket, making sure all the components fit snugly back into place. Then, I'm stripping the other end of the coaxial cable as well. I'm taking an F connector, the kind used for TV coaxial cables, and carefully attaching it. This will be the main output for our antenna. Then, I'll use electrical tape to insulate any exposed wiring, ensuring safety and durability for our new extension cord. This completes our antenna cable assembly. Let's see if this really works. My TV is currently showing no signal as expected. I'm taking our homemade antenna and plugging the coaxial connector directly into the antenna input on the back of the TV. Unbelievable! The TV immediately picks up channels. Look at that crystal clear picture. I'm flipping through multiple channels here, and every single one is coming in perfectly. Who knew an old phone charger could be transformed into such an effective antenna? This is truly amazing. All the channels are working flawlessly. The signal is strong and the picture quality is fantastic. This simple DIY project really delivers on its promise. I'm so thrilled with these results. Even more impressive, if I disconnect the antenna, you'll see the no signal message instantly reappear. Reconnect it, and boom, instant signal again. This proves the effectiveness of our DIY solution. Look at that, crystal clear reception on multiple channels. From no signal to a perfectly working television with just a few repurposed items. It's truly amazing what you can achieve with a bit of ingenuity. Don't let old gadgets go to waste when you can create something incredible. See how simple that was? If you enjoyed watching me transform the simple charger into a powerful antenna, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting DIY projects. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think or if you try this yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.